Hey, how's it going, everybody? Here at Das Trucks, we got another walk around video. If you like what you're watching, make sure you drop us a like. If you want to stay up to date on our inventory, the best way to do that is to go ahead and subscribe to this YouTube channel. That's because we post walk around videos for every single one of our trucks, so make sure you subscribe. Make sure you have that bell notifications pressed in so you're the first to know. Without further ado, go ahead and get into this 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty. It's a 4x2 regular cab, 8-foot drop side flatbed with ramps, which we'll go ahead and demonstrate here in just a little bit. But it has 82,923 miles. It's been fully reconned, and what we mean when we say that is that we go through the suspension, brakes, engine, transmission components. We make sure that everything is working to the finest that it can. And of course, we address all other issues that the vehicle might have had. You've got the fixed running boards. Let's head back here real quick to check out those tires because we've got plenty of life left on them. Okay, so your ramp is going to come out, your two ramps are going to come out from there. And here's what that looks like. So as you can see, the sides drop down, and then you got two ramps that come out of there. And you can put these together, or you could put them separate if you need to load an ATV or something like that. They both have a 750-pound capacity. The load capacity on this is going to be 3,000 pounds, as you can see in that sticker over there. And then you've got those kind of D-rings going around on the sides there. The GVWR, this vehicle is 9,950 pounds. You can still tow things, of course, with this guy. All right, let's go ahead and check out the interior. Here is that interior. So this truck's really very minimalistic. It is an XL, so we're not expecting a crazy amount of features and whatnot, but I mean, this thing is down to the bone, which is a good thing. If you don't care about those features and whatnot, it's a good thing. There's a couple less things that can wear out over time. So starts right up. We're gonna wait for it to do its checks, just like that. No lights on the dashboard. Here's your 82,923 miles. So you've got manual locks, manual windows, and you've got the radio. Nice little jam. So 3 12-volt outlets. Of course, you got your cup holders down here, and then your storage area. That can be flipped around like this. It's stowed away. Just got to detach it, just like that, and then stow it right back there. Middle seat comes down. Got your armrest right here, and then some more storage area, cup holders. All right, so pretty darn simple. Let's make sure that you guys are getting the best look here. Sun visors, nothing crazy. Let's go ahead and check out that engine. So this truck's got the 6.2 liter flex fuel V8 engine coupled with a 6-speed shiftable automatic transmission. All the filters and fluids have been changed if deemed necessary. This engine's sounding great. Go ahead and get you guys a good listen here. All right, and that will wrap it up for your 2017 Ford F-250 Super Duty. Again, with that 8-foot side drop side, I think that's the official term. It's drop side flatbed there. If you'd like to find out some more information about this vehicle, I'll leave a link in the description below. It'll cover everything that we discussed, plus some specific measurements on that flatbed. I'll also leave the link to our website if you want to check out the full listing. That's going to include warranty information, things like that. I'll have our phone number down in the description below. Feel free to call us, text us, talk about financing, anything of that sort, we're definitely available. We even respond after hours as well because our sales team is so awesome. So make sure you're doing that if you need. And yeah, thanks again. Make sure you subscribe, drop us a like. We'll see you all in the next one. Take care.